Alam nyo ba guys, meron kaming fast-moving free-selling condo here inside the Maple Grove. Introducing Maple Park Residence located at a strategic location here in General Trias, Cavite. And you can experience the Japan Scandinavian-inspired living here in Maple Park Residence. Tara, samahan nyo ako para mapakita ko sa inyo ang unit layout ng aming condo. This one is a smart home condo unit, and all you can see here at the kitchen is also included. Also kasama na rin ang aircon na fan turnover. And sa room natin kasama na rin ang 2-door closet. And all you can see here at the comfort room is also included. And makukuha mo tong unit na to with the no down payment option. So i-reserve na natin yung future home mo. Just contact my details.